Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be unboxing and taking a close look at the 96 Dodge Viper GTS from Hot Wheels. This is a new car from the H case of 2025. So right before we unbox, let's take a look at the box itself, the packaging itself. The car is blue, and yeah, the art looks absolutely just like the real thing, which is very awesome. This is new for 2025. Apparently this model, real car model, has been a part of Hot Wheels since 1998, with a opening hood and opening hood, with just the opening hood. But this is a retool that obviously, since this is from the main line, it doesn't have any moving parts. Taking a look at the back, yeah, just the name and the licensing detail. It is a Dodge product. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Let's cut right into it. I feel very lucky getting this car. I found two of them at the pharmacy that I was at. I was looking for a cone shaker. Despite me passing on it the first time, it looked very interesting. So I was trying to get another one, get another chance to get the cone shaker to take a close look at it. There's a fun feature about that, but you know, we'll discuss that when we eventually get the car. Not now, but very soon, hopefully. Oh, this unboxing just went really well. Yeah, okay, there we go. Let's move the packaging aside. Alright. Wow. This blue is absolutely gorgeous. It looks a bit transparent. Looks a bit like Spectra Flame. Looks a bit like candy. It has that candy aspect to it. But I am fairly certain this is just normal paint. It's not even metallic. It's kind of odd. It looks very shiny and all blue when taking a look up close. Yep. Let's start the walkthrough with the front. We have detailed headlights and the Dodge logo at the front here. We have some vents. These are just casted in. There's also, I believe, that is part of the window. So that is a transparent, like acrylic, that's masking as the hood vents there. And at the side we get a whole lot of nothing other than the paint. And at the back we get detailed taillights and turn signals and the license plate. This side we also have nothing. We have the what is it called? Let me double check here. The 5SP wheels that has been a common stay since I was collecting in my childhood. I don't really like it on its own usually, but this on this car looks absolutely amazing. It fits. At the top here we get to see the iconic Viper stripe. The unfortunate thing is that it doesn't go down all the way. It doesn't like go through the front lip, so it's a good approximation given how fragile it is. I actually seen two of these at the store that I picked this up from, and there's like a there's like a decal defect on the side here, on the other one that I was taking a look at. This car looks absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to take pictures with it. Just maybe not bring it around everywhere, but just having it around, like rolling around, that's just very cool. Speaking of, let's do a simple roll test. It rolls well enough. It rolls better than the Hako Type D that we unboxed recently. That one just kind of wants to stop. This Like, take a look. It rolled better now. I don't know why. Maybe it just broke it in. Looks good. Looks good. Drives good. Handles well. And now let's take a look at the weight of this. When handling the box, the weight of this car is pretty high. From what I feel. I weighed the box with it. It's like 40 some grams. Let's see how heavy it is. 37. That makes sense. It's almost like 38. 37 it is. And yeah, this is a car that packs a punch. If you can find it at retail on the pegs, do get it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'd imagine this car being scalped for like double, triple the price already, and I'm lucky enough to find it. Anyway, to end this unboxing, let's take a close look with the turntable, this little diorama I have here, so you can see the car on its own without my hands. Thank you so much for sticking with me with this unboxing. If you have any suggestions or cars you'd like to see, please feel free to leave a comment. And stay safe, everyone. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.